Hey everybody, today we're going to tackle the question, how to avoid infringing a patent that might be out there. I am JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney at Bold IP, helping inventors for over 10 years, getting almost 400 patents issued as of today. I'm also the author of Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents. I'm here to help you answer this question, walk you through this one and much more. So with this lesson today, this is a wonderful question, something that inventors ask sometimes, but not too often. Those wise inventors that know that there are patents out there, maybe even lurking, if they go to market without looking first. What can happen, especially if you're designing around a known product and you're wondering, gosh, is this design around, if I change it a little bit, is it different enough from the previous owner? And they're wondering, is there even a patent on what my competitor has? How do I go find it? What do I start? And this is a great question. So this core concept is sort of governed under this concept of freedom to operate. You're working with an attorney to say, am I free to just go out in business and start making, using, and selling this product, right? Using this method. Is this going to be infringing anyone else's patents, any enforceable patents here in the US or any other country they want to do business in? And it's a search. It's much like a patentability search where you're scouring, right? You're looking all over the internet, all over the patent articles, patent center, patent documents, and publications for, hey, is this unique? Is this new? In a similar way, a professional search can be done to go look for patents that have already been issued, that are enforceable, and maybe even publications for those patents that are pending that might eventually turn into patents that are issued. Even if it's not granted yet and they couldn't bring you to federal court today, that could be a major issue if you're gambling a ton of money and investment in going to market with a specific product. So hiring a patent attorney, someone who has experience doing research specifically, will help you gain a lot of knowledge on seeing what enforceable patents are out there that might trip me out, that might be able to say that, yes, this product is infringing. On top of that, hopefully, right, the answer after doing that search is no, you're not technically infringing because you have not included this element of the claim. Let's say there's 5 elements of the claim and yours only has 4, right? You're leaving out that 5th element. Now that's still pretty close, right? You're 80%, right? 4/5, 80% of the way to infringing. And the owner of that patent might assert it anyway. They might try to make the case that you're practicing that 5th element. So you need to be working with a patent attorney and get an opinion, written opinion about how specifically you're not infringing so that you can take that to the bank, if you will, literally to the bank and go get loans or take it to investors and say, look, I hired counsel and got an opinion, a freedom to operate opinion that says, no, this is very similar to this other competitor, this other product, but we are making it specifically so that it does not have this 5th element, whatever it is, and no longer can they make a meritorious claim against us. But that doesn't stop them from suing you. And you might still have to go through litigation and go through heartache and the challenge of going through defending yourself as the person that's gone to market alleging non-infringement. So, but your investors will be able to sleep at night. They'll know that you've hired counsel before, you've got an opinion letter on this topic, and you can go to the market confidently. So hopefully to answer your question, kind of that perspective of someone's just going out there and selling without patent protection, but knowing that they could be sued by someone with a patent on it. So it's very thoughtful, a great question to ask. I'm happy to get to it today. If you still have more questions, or you want to get started on your journey toward inventorship, I've got the Inventor Kit, the Bold Inventor Kit, download below. Click that link and get access to my resources on searching, application drafting, patent success matrix, as well as a whole copy, a PDF version of my book, Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents. So we'll hope it's been a good educational experience today. I'm JD Houvener, owner and founder here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Have an awesome day, everybody. Go big, go bold.